So what's going on?
What's going on, Matt?
I never signed the hood yet.
And you know why he gets to sign the hood? Well, he found us the hood.
I found it. Well, I got it.
Lou found it. So we called. What do you do when you have a problem? You call Matt. So it turned out it was just down the road from you, right? Not too far?
No, it wasn't actually that far. So
Yeah, okay.
we went down and got it.
So it was bolted to the roof of a guy's shop. He'd saved it there for 10 years. So he went and picked it up, and then we drove down to Legacy, Lou and I, and picked it up and brought it home. So we made a huge error where we didn't have Matt sign it. So now we're going to fix that.
And this is Matt from Legacy
Yes.
Body.
Hi, everyone.
Builder of fine automobiles, correct? What would you call yourself? Oh, Matt, right?
Yeah, well, what was it? Is something like the master of none?
Oh, expert of... Yeah, I forget how that goes.
Yeah.
Jeez,
Yeah.
too many... we should wear masks more often, right?
Yes.
Okay, so where are you going to sign this? We have all kinds of people on there from all across the country.
It looks like you've
Mike's
been
on there
somewhere.
There's Bad Chad, Jolene.
Oh, Queen Jolene.
There's Queen Jolene. There's Bad Chad.
Oh, well.
And
Let's see what we can do.
people from everywhere we went. Oh, look at that. In the maple leaf, right on. Legacy Matt. All right.
I'll just put a little heart around me and Jolene.
That's a cute heart.
Yeah.
There
that.
you go. Right on. Ooh, good location. Yes.
As famously Blair once said, maximum exposure.
Well, that's right.
Yeah. You have to take up as much room as you can.
Hey, Lou, did you ever sign that?
I signed the trunk lid
You did?
for the lady I took it to.
Oh man, lucky that's gone.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you very much.
Man, isn't this like the circle of life is just fulfilled?
Yes.
This hood I found hanging from someone's roof with ratchet straps.
Yeah.
So it just took it down, brought it to you, and we had like spitballed some ideas on what we wanted to do, but now there it is.
Hanging on a chain in a different shop.
Yeah.
Right on. Okay, well, thank you, man.
So what are you guys up to?
Everything and nothing.
Well, he's been helping save the day here because I was way behind. So we're doing inner panels. He's sanded and got our Nomad roof ready for polishing. And he's done an inner hood. What have I done?
Inner fenders. We spotted in the T-Bird.
Oh, yes. Yes, that's right, too.
Yeah. I came in here with a list and we've been knocking off a list.
Yeah, he did.
And the RAV?
Oh, right. Lou's bumper cover
Yes.
is drying as we speak. So that's done. There's all these small things that were supposed to get done. And he made a list, and now he's pushing me. It must be about time for... Yeah, I'm pretty sure Derek's followed him.
He quite possibly he could. Well, there he is there. Okay. That's great. Is there no I go for spot? Yeah. 2 more spots. Oh, yeah. Right. Okay. That looks really good. See there like you said. And that inner door, how you 5 spot clear. So, everyone says you can't hammer it, but you can grind it.
Oh, yeah.
And then you just grind off the
Yeah, it's the edge of a hard disk.
Yeah, and then you can go in and just clean it up.
Great. Looks excellent. And then this is all done. I like to leave the factory stress marks from stamping because it looks real. It is real. I did get, in fact, I think it was Calgary World of Wheels like 8-9 years ago. I did a job that won. The guy wrote me up for leaving these kind of stamping marks underneath the bottom edge of a fender. And I left them so you could see it was a real steel fender. So that's just a difference of opinions. We still won. but I got wrote up for it. So I'm leaving that. That's real. That's real. Sure, Lyle feels the same way.
Cool. So, how was working in this shop as compared to yours?
It's great.
Hmm?
It's great. It's good to be out at a shop and then
Into another
you know,
shop?
into another shop and hanging out and taking a little break.
You see,
been awesome.
there's another point. Like, I like to leave spot welds. Now, I suppose in your shop, you guys usually don't leave them, right?
It all depends. It all depends on each individual job.
Okay.
So if you want everything flushed out, then yeah. But then sometimes people just want to, you know, it's extra, right?
Yes.
You don't have to go overboard on it. They're factory.
I mean, that can put you
spot
from
welds.
304,000 to 304,050, right?
Yes. Yeah. There's just little things that can set the bar over.
Well,
right?
you're at it. Anyhow. Okay, curious.
Cool.
All right. Well, we're good.
So we're good. You guys get to get back to work.
You bet. Cheers.